behind the scenes, right? But let's not let Anita's story end with her death. She was only 25 years old, so I feel like a lot of this is overshadowed by the tragedy of the story, and we don't actually get a chance to talk about who she was, right? She wasn't just a victim, she was a pioneer woman in Jamaica. She was writing, singing, and performing reggae music before it was even called that. She shaped the rhythm of a nation. You understand what I'm trying to say here? Young gal, young, young, mother of two, had recently been divorced. Rhythm of a nation. Didn't even get to enjoy it. But you know what? I do hope her soul is at peace, and I hope her story is finally being heard. Not just for what tragedy it was, but for how amazing she was from starting so young. You know what I mean? So,